So this looks delicious. Oh, yes. Oh, this is good. It's fork tender. What's your first memory of trying something from M&M's meat shop?
Chicken cordon bleu.
At home?
At my friend's house. No, my mother never brought this home.
So my mother never brought this home either. But that's because both of our families were in the grocery industry. And so one of the things growing up in a supermarket family is you're not allowed to buy any food anywhere other than your own supermarket. We would go to friends' houses for birthday parties and they'd have the best chicken nuggets.
Or the little appetizers.
Oh yeah, and it was always like, well, where'd you get that from? They were always like, M&M's. A year ago, M&M Food Market came to Vince's and they have started an express program. So we jumped on the idea and we've kind of selected an assortment of M&M products that we can now sell at the store. So it's all about convenience and accessibility. There's a lot of stuff. And we are gonna do what our kids are calling an unboxing. We're gonna cook some.
Okay.
We're gonna try some.
So this is spinach dip.
Oh.
Okay, it is in a plastic wrap, so we're going to need a container for that. Put this in the microwave for 2.5 minutes.
Yep.
Stir, and then heat again for 2 minutes.
Yep.
And then let stand for 2 to 3 minutes.
That actually looks pretty decent. This has had a moment to cool.
Yep, this has been sitting for a couple of minutes. I like it.
You like it? Okay, so that's a win.
Lobster mac and cheese bites. Air fryer ready.
First impression?
They look good. They look like they're gonna be crispy. They have a nice crust.
Yep.
We can pop these in the air fryer for about 10 minutes.
Pop these bad boys in.
Okay, so about 8 minutes.
Yeah, in this air
the
fryer.
cheese starts
Popping.
bursting out. I can smell the lobster.
Me too. I got a nice piece of lobster in there. What about you? Yeah, it's good.
Next,
What do we got?
we have these supreme
Oh, I
scalloped
love scalloped
potatoes.
potatoes. Oh, that looks good.
So we're doing it in the oven. Place tray on baking sheet.
Yeah.
375 for an hour. White cheddar mac and cheese. Yeah, you can see it has like a little
bacon.
breadcrumb and bacon mixture. So lift one corner. Is that one corner you
That
think?
seems like more than a corner.
And then we just pop it in the oven at 350 for about an hour.
Oh, this looks good.
It all seems very creamy and cheesy.
Yes. I really like the look of those scalloped potatoes.
Potatoes with a nice brown crust on top, but creamy on the bottom. So
Okay.
we are going to unbox the pot roast.
Yes, we are.
Okay.
So it looks like a big hunk of frozen pot roast.
Pop this open and then just put it in. So I think we should cover this with some tin foil. Pop that in for about an hour at 350.
Pot roast looks good. Pot roast is in its jus.
What are we gonna try first?
Mac and cheese.
Mac and cheese? Okay.
Mac and cheese.
Yeah,
good,
that's
good
good.
flavor.
Okay, now the scalloped potato.
This is gonna be my favorite. Why is scalloped potato so good? Yeah, it's all solid stuff.
Yeah, that's really good.
Why do we even cook? M&M does it for us.
Really good. That tastes like it's been slow roasting for...
Ever. And then at the end of your meal, if you're looking for a delicious dessert, okay, so in there we have 3 nicely packaged segments of the bars. That's a nice looking brownie. This is a peppermint Nanaimo bar. And this here is a chocolate coconut bar.
So after 15, 20 minutes, we can just cut into these and serve?
The way that they're presented, like they look substantial. I really like them.
Yeah.
And this is like a chocolate coconut, so I'm gonna try that one. Whoever's doing the bacon there at M&M, keep it up.
I think everything we made was really tasty.
Me too. Check out our M&M meat shop offering at all of our Vince's markets. You'll find them in a dedicated freezer space. You can't miss it. I would bring all of these things to a friend's house and pretend like I made them.